Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to submit your ID on PrizePicks. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up your web browser and go to official website of PrizePicks. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. And here, if you want to make a deposit, you will be redirected to this kind of page. And they say you need to verify your ID for this. You need to just get started, and you are going to connect your phone for this. You need to enter your phone number over here, and then you can just send SMS, or you can download this PrizePicks application from your Play Store or App Store. And then you can just scan this code and connect your phone from that phone. You can take a picture of your government ID, and then you will be verified. So that's basically how you can submit your ID on PrizePicks. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.